Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my finale to the I Heart the 90s Project Pan, so if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Before we get into that though, if you're new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me, and let's get into the video. So this project is a Fantastic Ladies collab. It was created by Laura. I will link her channel down below, as well as all the information you need to know about this project. It is a 90s themed Project Pan, and unfortunately I will be doing my finale today. I'm not going to keep repeating myself like I have been in a few videos, but I am just having to cancel or just retire a few projects from my schedule just because I'm very overwhelmed with the amount of projects I'm working on. I really loved doing this project. It was really fun, really nostalgic. Even though I'm a late 90s baby, I feel like I was born in 96, but I feel like a lot of those trends bled over into the early 2000s, and I much prefer the 90s like culture, I guess, over early 2000s. The fashion, just everything was a whole lot better in my opinion. Really not into the resurgence of early 2000s fashion. This one I think is a little bit more interesting than my Painting Punk finale. I was able to meet quite a few more goals. So I had the prompt, Beverly Hills 90210, a most expensive product, and I chose my Lisa Eldridge lipstick in the shade Velvet Affair, and I was just trying to get it kind of as close as I could to where the slant started, and I got pretty darn close. Like, I've been able to use quite a bit of this lipstick. I only used it one time since the last update, and I kind of just let it go to the side as I focused on Cookie, which I was trying to finish. So yeah, I'm not mad about the use I got on this. It's a beautiful lipstick, and I'll probably reach for it a lot more now that we're going into fall, so I'm excited about that. It's been so long since I updated this project, but I was working on Shape Tape for the prompt Baby One More, a product from a brand you used in high school. And this is actually in my rolling 2022 Project Pan. So I met my last two uses on it from my last update, but yeah, I've been working on this in my rolling 2022 Project Pan. So I mean, you guys have already seen this in other projects. I had the prompt, The Sixth Sense, a product that surprised you, and that is my Lethal Cosmetics gloss in the shade Anthem. I had 6 uses left to make my goal. I only used it once, but that's okay. This is a really nice formula, and if you share it out, the red color actually looks really nice. I was just surprised I enjoyed this. I got it in a mystery bag. It was kind of a flop mystery bag, but I actually do enjoy this formula, so yeah, I'm glad I just was able to use it a little bit more than I would have had I not put it in this project. No Scrubs, a product you want to get out of your collection, which I chose the Juvia's Place eyeshadow primer. I started at that blue line at the top, and this is now done. I mean, if I cut it open, there would probably be more product, but I really can't squeeze any more out. This just holds a lot of air in it. I have used this 21 times since the last update, and so I'm really glad to get this eye primer out of my collection. It's nice, but not the greatest primer in the world. Then I had the prompt The Simpsons yellow packaging, and I was working on my LA Girl Screamin' liner, and I had a goal of 10 more uses, and I have only used it 4 times. But it is a really nice liner. It stays in like all day long, and it's a really bright color on your waterline, so this is a nice liner. Then I got Buffy the Vampire Slayer, a product or a mythological creature themed product, and I chose a shadow from my Nabla Dreamy Chew. I chose the shade Pantheon, and my goal was to hit pan, and as you can see, I did hit pan. It took me 7 uses to hit pan. I just used it to set my lid. That's not something I really like to do anymore, but I use it to meet my goal on this. And then I have a product that I think I got rid of because I already showed it in an empties, and that was for the prompt Rugrats, a product from a brand that you mispronounced the name. I chose like a spray leave-in conditioner from the brand Aquis, or Aquis, I have no idea. I finished it in 5 uses. It was a very thin leave-in conditioner. Like, leave-in conditioner was wishful thinking on the brand's part. But that is done out of my collection. I cannot find it anymore, so that is done. Then I had Clueless, a product that you were clueless on how to apply when you first got into makeup. And so I chose like bronzer or contour, and I chose my Patrick Ta contour in bronzer duo. And I was mostly focusing in on the cream. I had 22 uses that I wanted to meet, and I used it 15 times, but I did hit pan in the contour, so that was really exciting, and I would call that a success. So I really like this product, and I really like the cream powder concept that Petra has going for him. So yeah, I was really glad I was able to hit pan even though I didn't meet my usage goal. And then I got Wannabe, a product that reminds you of your best friend. So I chose this blush in the shade Serafina because my boyfriend bought it for me and he's my best friend, of course. So I only wanted to use it 5 times because I was thinking about decluttering it, and I probably will. I just have other blushes I like a whole lot more than this. It's a beautiful color, but it is very, very pigmented, and I don't find it the easiest to blend out on the cheeks. So I will probably be decluttering this whenever I do a declutter. But yeah, glad I was able to meet my goal on that. And finally, we had the prompt Smells Like Teen Spirit, a scented product. And I chose the Pacifica Hardcore Happy Vanilla Coconut Body Spray. I used this 10 times since the last update. My goal was 22. If you're curious, I had marked it there and we're there. So that was about 10 uses. This smells great. I love the smell. It's fantastic. I love vanilla coconut, but this does not last. You spray it on, you smell it, it's gone. No lasting power whatsoever. So not a product I would recommend, but it does smell really, really nice. Maybe if they have a roller wall or something, that would smell a little bit longer. But that is the last product I have for this update. So that is my finale. Unfortunately, I have to retire this project, but it was a whole lot of fun. Thank you so much to Laura for creating this project. It was really, really fun. But that is all I have for you today, so I hope you enjoyed. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you like down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!